Alright, so today we're going to talk about Kahoot. Before we got into the Kahoot, I wanted to go ahead and re-reference this thing from the first part of this. Um, I went ahead and sent it out to two people, and I got one of them to respond. So just like this, you can see their name, basically what their responses were. And if you do a graph, or not a graph, if you do multiple choice, you'll just see what most people entered. Which, since he hasn't watched the videos, he just took the quiz to prove that I could take the quiz. You could do the same thing by creating a spreadsheet, and it'll put all the answers into a spreadsheet. But I don't need to do that for right now. So today we're going to have Quizlet. So I went ahead and created five different questions, which you can see this one I changed the time, even though it's probably the easiest of the questions. But then I just made it so this one's talking about the answer to this question is then using the other questions. And they're all, this one's a true or false, and the rest of them are all for multiple choice questions. So you hit play, anybody can play it, and then you can hook it up to their devices and you can play it just like that. So